Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the mod installed. Start by equipping the building gadget and selecting the block you want to place. Once done, set the gadget mode to build or replace depending on whether you want to overwrite. Make sure to adjust the range to cover the distance you need. Aim at a stable reference block and left-click to mark the start plane so the gadget knows orientation. This initial setup saves rework and sets the coordinate basis for every subsequent action. Now you refine the placement. Right-click to select the target plane, and if you need precision, hold Sneak while clicking to nudge the selection one block at a time. You should change orientation or rotation with the gadget shortcuts so patterns align. Use copy and paste to replicate complex sections quickly. When replacing, switch to replace mode and choose the source and replacement blocks. Make sure to preview the result so you avoid accidental mass swap. To finish, apply the gadget to fill the remaining area and then clear the gadget selection so you don't place more by accident. Use the erase or undo function immediately if something looks wrong and switch to overlay for finishing details like windows or trim. If you want to reuse the structure, export a schematic. Troubleshooting tip: if placements are misaligned, check the gadget's facing and range, reset the tool settings, and remove any ghost blocks before retrying to prevent repeated errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.